This is called what? NP dot end of what? Add of what? ARR1 and ARR2. What the add will do? What the add will do, ma? 10 plus 20. What is that? 30. Quick, already 11 plus. All these elements are added or not? I'm giving the spoon feeding notes here. Go to next what? Subtraction. Already you learned subtract or not? Where I said matrix operations I said. Same to same. These elements subtracting here. Subtracting here. NP dot subtract of ARR1. 10 minus 20 minus 10. 30 minus 22. Like this. Are you writing everything or not? Yes. So here, arithmetic operations we can apply. Subtract operation here. Multiplication operation. Already multiply operation. On 2D also everything So this part, students, and this is all repetition for you only. Now it is an important. Division, I'm going to take it. Division. So, Srikant. So we thought he got a job before all, and many of friends and me also ready to pay 70K. By God's grace, we are missed that incident. Friends plus Srikant also about to pay 70K. Because everybody will have a desire to do the job. So they will do. They are trying to. So anybody promise that we will definitely give you job means they are false people only. Without testing your talent, how can they will give job? Correct or not, students? So please try to, because you are all smart students. Smart in the sense andam wise God subject. Understand? So all are beautiful only. Take care and be alert about it. Only programming always. Right. This is about multiplication. Next is called what? Division. Division. So Sandeep Kumar. Okay, sir. Sir, I am also victim. Sandeep Kumar is saying. So after this, they're all coming out of it. Yes. So yes. Others. One of my friend joined in our NUMPY batch, sir. He completed full stack Python already in some other institute. So, like that. So, come to the point of it. Yes. Author. Yes. So, these saying that author is saying. Author is also one good student. Because these are all good students, they faced it. That's why that words are coming out. Right or not? This is what you have to take out to, like any revolutionary things you have to take it. So, learn all quality is quality. That's all. So, Vamshi, so Django batch. Yes. Whichever batch they will allot me, I will ready to teach in the same commitment, same responsibility only, without leaving anything. I'm fully ready with my total content. Full ready. Ultimate. అంటే నెక్స్ట్ 15 years దాంట్లో అన్ని ఉంటాయి మన దగ్గర అన్ని ఉంటాయి ఎవ్రీథింగ్ ఈస్ దేర్ ఫుల్ స్టాక్ పైథాన్ డిజాంగో రెస్ట్ ఏపీఐ హియర్ వాట్ ఈస్ దట్ డిజాంగో కోర్స్ కంటెంట్ introduction myself only 15 days I'll explain all of them part 1 part 2 with project part 2 with use cases real time next query dictive integration url configuration introduction to Django templates ultimate next introduction to forms html forms integration with Django next Django with models database models orm topics with all wonderful is the UC. Next, introduction to admin interface here. Next is called sessions, HTTPs, cookies, sessions, URL rewriting, managing permissions. Introduction to generic views. What do you mean by view? Ultimate topic. Next is called what? Deploying Django application. Case studies. Creating dynamic web project. With all things, product lifecycle product, SDLC, system development lifecycle. With what? How to host with it. Is a Django. Beyond that, REST API. REST API అంటే REST కాదు. Beyond that. Authentication, rest of authentication. Next, filters, mixins, pagination. Pagination means what? In Gmail, after that, only 60 visible. To go to that next page, will click this arrow or not? This will be there like this or not? When you click on that, it will go to previous page or not? That is the pagination. How to do that pagination? Next, routers, serializers, authentication, token authentication, Django framework connecting with a cloud, AWS, DevOps, GCP. That is subject. Understand? ఒక బుక్ తీసుకొని ఇట్లా తీసుకొని రావడం అది బ్యాగ్ వేసుకొని యూ హౌ టు లైక్ దిస్ ఫైన్ అండ్ these days and about to come in the industry, about to come in the software industry, design patterns design patterns are going to come in the software industry very shortly in the Python. That also I prepared ready. Python design pattern, single link done, factory design, classification design, builder design pattern, prototype design pattern, facade, object oriented pattern, observer pattern, Python anti design pattern, design patterns. Next, coming years, what is going to come in the Python world? Okay, so come now, come to this point. Division here, divide function divides the values. Already you know divide, floor divide, all these things you know. 10 percentage, 10 slash 3, 20 slash 5, 30 slash 3. What is happening? Are you getting the same answer or not? First one you check it. 3.33333 like that. This is called what? 20 by 5. It is called 4.0. 30 by 10. It is called 3 point. Like that. 60 by 33. This is an answer we are getting it. Here, spoon feeding answer. 10 by 3, 20 by 5 like this. Well, notes also should be very perfect. Our notes, when we just read out, a test has to go to brain, not inside. Like that, energy should come when you read the notes. Like that, preparing the notes. How much strain is required for the faculty to prepare the notes in a user-friendly form? That is called efforts of the faculty to the students. Power of. What is the power of? EXP. Exponentiation operator. To the power of 3. Like this. 20 to the power of 5. Like this, I'm going on writing. What is this? Here I'm giving. Result of 10 to the power of 3 means what? 10 into 10 into 10. 20 to the power of 5. So on 5 times. 30 to the power of 6. These many times, etc. Following, ma? Remainder, new. Division, you know. Subtract, you know. Add, you know. Everything, you know. Next is what? Multiply also, you know. Remainder of. The mod and the remainder functions returns what? Remainder of values in what? First array corresponding to the values of second array. The returns the results in the new array. So here I'm taking this is the data, this is the data mod of I'm writing np dot mod of arr1 comma arr2. What it is giving you? What it is giving you? New array returns this data. Are you following me? This will give you this data. This data. Reminders when you divide 10 with 3, 10% is 3. 20 with 7, 20% is 7. 30 with 9, 30 with 9, like this, etc. Are you following me? 10 with 3, 20 with 7, 30 with 9, 40 with 8. All these things. Example. What is the next? Return the reminders. What is the reminders here? Now we are going to deal with this. This is what I want to show you in the class. So rest of them I already you learned it. Add of you learned now. Subtract of you learned. Multiply of you learned. Divide of you learned. Power of also you learned. Now I am going to show the remainder of. So please students watch it. Anyhow, I'll go to this place. Online students, carefully try to follow guys. Here I will write it. What is this now? Cumulative products. So I'm writing here previous topics are types of products. Types of products. Types of products. Okay. Now there I will take it new one ma. Here you try to follow me. So coming to this place. Here I am writing it. Import. Here you are taking it. Here you are coming out of that. So follow me here. New array of print. What is this now? New array ARR. So we are going to get it. What is this? 30% is 3. 20% is 7. Are you seeing these reminders? Right. 30% is 10% is 3 means of 3. 3 3 9. This is called what? 1. This is the value 1 like this. So like this. Now remainders, you see what is the remainder job is. Now I'm going to take up. Now I'm going to take up. It is also going to give you what is this now. Remainder function also I'm printing. What is the answer is coming? Same answer. Means either mod you can take it or remainder you can take it. Already you have seen mod function in where? Arithmetic operations only. చెప్పాను కదమ్మా already. Already I said you. This part if you go to it, I already said to you in the notes part, arithmetic operations I said. That is called matrix operations I said, students. These operations I said here. That's why I'm not typing it. Add off, subtract off, multiply off, divide off, mod off, lower divide, power off. What is today coming in place of mod? Remainder of is coming. Remainder of. Okay, remainders are coming. 10 percentage 3 is equal to what? 1. Like that you are getting. But I want coefficients, I want to get it. Coefficients. 10 coefficient I want. What is the coefficient here? 3 is a 9. What is this now? 1. 3. 3 is a coefficient or not? Like that. 27. 2. 2 is a coefficient. Next 39. 9 3 is a 27. Next 48. 5. Like that. These are all called what? Coefficient array. Coefficient array is not coming with what? Any of the other things. So go to the place. Here I want to go to coefficient place. I am going to take it. In this place, I'm going to take it here. Coefficient place. Last one, if you look at what is this now? Here I will apply coefficient method. Coefficient and mod. Div mod function returns both coefficient and mod. So remainders will come plus coefficient will come. Div means what will come? Coefficients. Mod means what will come? Remainders. Both of them will be returned in a single array. What is that single array is called? ND array object. In terms, what will be there? Two values are there. Coefficients, remainders. Remainders. I mean, 10 percentage 3 means it is called 1. 10 slash 3, it is called what? 3. It is going to come 3 comma 1 will come. What is the 3 comma 1? 3 is the coefficient, 1 is a remainder. Like that. Come on now, apply. So the returned value is a two arrays. First array is contains what? Coefficient. Second array contains modulus. Modulus means what? Remainders. So come to the point of it. Import div mod of this one. I will go to div mod of this one. Go to the place. Here I am writing, applying here, applying here. See this now. All of you, look at mom. What is this is coming now? What is this is now coming? Come on. 10, 3 is called 3. What is this 3? Coefficient. What is this 3? Coefficient. These are all comes under what? These are all called what? Yes. Now I will write it. Coefficient array. So print off, print off. I'm writing here. Print off. What is this now? Coefficient array. Coefficient array is equal to comma. What is this now? New array of what? 0. New array of 0. Is it coming or not? New coefficient array. Spelling mistakes, don't worry, within the double quotes. Next is called what, ma? Remainder arrays. Remainder arrays. Remainder arrays. Remainder arrays. Remainders array. Remainders array is called what? 1. So, are you getting or not? Like that you can take. Understand? 10 into 3 plus 1 is called 10 again. 20 into 2 into 6. 2 into 6 is called 12, which is going to be done like this. It is going to get the values like this. I think you are following this function called what? Div mod is the new function in the arithmetic operators. So next is called what? Absolute values I want to find. What is an absolute value, mom? In our mathematics of -3. What is the value? 3. Absolute value, you know, na? Next is called what? 3. Absolute value. What is the value? 3 only. And absolute of -25, what is the value? 25. So what is that? Go to Python, students, once. Go to Python once and observe, mom, all of you. You see here, import math. Import math. Math dot fabs. F ABS of minus 3. What is the answer? 3. 3. And what is this now? What is the answer? 3. F ABS. Float ABS. Whatever, integer, float or float, it will come in float only. So absolute value converts negative value into what? Positive. Positive is positive only. Following me? Yes. Go to the students. Here I am writing. Come on, read out. The absolute function gives absolute operation of element wise. Here written absolute. This is my negative elements, positive elements are there. NP dot absolute of A or R. Every value will be coming in the positive format only. This is called absolute values. I'm going to take up. And it is not a big difficult. I'll put the documentation for you. And this you eliminate. So are getting everything into positive or not? Yes. This is called what functions? Absolute. Tell me, what are the functions which you understood in my class? Come on. Add off. Next. No, no, no. Come on. Subtract off. What are the arithmetic operations I'm saying? Abstract, subtract off. Multiply off. Next is what? Divide off. Floor underscore divide off. Next is called what? Floor underscore divide off. Divide off. Next, mod off. Come on. Remainder off. Remainder off. Next, one. Good. Power off. Next, next, div mod off. Div mod off. Next, absolute off. Absolute off. Like this. In C language, how many functions you learned in BTech college? 9. Printf, scanf, sqrt, clr, scr. 9. Clear? Python functions, NumPy functions, PANDAS functions, matplotlib functions. If you just sleep, no sleep will come because all functions are running in my brain. If you don't read at all, you'll get very good sleep will come. Correct? Yes. So, how to remember all these things? Continuous reading. So, remember all these things. And I will give you finally one cheat code. I will give you cheat code in the sense I will give one chart for you. What chart? NumPy chart I will give. And when you're in reading room, if you keep NumPy chart, everything is there in that. Pandas cheat code, sheet I will give you. Formula sheet. If I open for Pandas formulas, na, you'll get, sir, how to remember all these things. Mind blowing. That many formulas are there. Project, EDA project, ETL project. That you can keep it in resume directly. Like that we have to learn. Understand? That's why don't miss the class. So this is called what operations? Arithmetic operations. Like that, what will be there? Next term. This is basic thing I covered. Universal functions. Universal functions. See, arithmetic, summation, product. Next, what is that? Discrete events are there. GCD, LCM with NumPy, LCM, and set operations, everything. These are dead easy for you. Why? Because already I made you to learn earlier also. That people outside nobody knows this kind of thing. When you go to an interview, compulsory everything from the notes only. Extra, I will tell you PNZ files, how to save my NumPy data in files, how to save my data in CSV file, how to get CSV data into NumPy, how to get NumPy data through CSV file into data frame into database. It with Django connector, AWS, Glue, cloud platform also you can connect. These are all Python scripting only possible. Really, I did not speak like this, but today only I am speaking. Why? When more flow is there about subject, you have to tell like this to the students. Students will realize. So what to do to become strong? Need to read. Simple word called read. Will you read? Yes, do that. So time is up. So 10:55. I'm feeling that I just came 10 minutes back to the class. Are you feeling like that? Feeling that 2 days back class started like that? Not like that. Adjusting here also like this. Because he's going outside, na. That's why. Because of my subject, this is coming, disturbing. Again, adjusting like that. Very good boy. So, Pranay, what is that? Sir, link. Which link, mom? Which link? Which link, my dear student? So, you told you will be sharing link of Oliver. Already shared, na? Already shared or not? Pranay, already shared, ma. Question paper. This question paper I will share it. Yes, Rahul. When is your DSA? When my DSA batch will start, I will take care. DSA means అదొక చెప్పడానికి అలువి కానటువంటి సబ్జెక్ట్. So beautiful. DSA. Actually, I'll start with what? Binary trees only people will teach. But I start with red block trees. Have you heard about red block trees? When you go to Fong and Mong companies, they will go for what? Red block trees. Type in your Google after going to the class. Binary trees. Everybody will say, what is binary tree definition? They will say over. But how to write the code? They don't know. How to write a binary search tree, AVL tree, LL rotation, RR rotation, RL rotation, LR rotation. These are all rotations. How to write the code? That is simple. Red block trees, block rate trees are there. DFS, BFS, Prim's algorithm, Kruskal's algorithm, NP hard, NP complete, Cook's theorem. These are all. That is my PhD subject actually. అది నాకు చాలా ఇష్టమైన సబ్జెక్ట్. I don't like Python. I don't like Java. I like DSA. That is my original subject. That is my life. These are all very simple. Sum అంటే సమ్ వచ్చేస్తుంది. Cumulative sum. Write the code for cumulative sum. That is talent. Right. So, Yamuna, PhD how many years? See, minimum 3 years. You have to submit your research paper. If they satisfy with your research paper, in third year immediately they will award you PhD. So some people will take 5 years also, 4 years also. Modu students will take even 6, 7 years also. Modu students in the sense of a passenger train. Jet Airways, Vande Bharat will take only 3 years, 1 month awarded. 3 years, 1 month awarded. Right. Harish, okay. Okay. Harish, don't feel that. I said 5 years. Depends on the guide also. Guide is also important. Right. Venkat Lakshmi. So, sir, either Angular or React. Anything is okay, ma. Angular or React. Anything is okay. Anything you can take it. No issue. So, right. Pranit. I will tell you my DSA class, definitely. So, Yamuna? Right. Come. So, next, right. That is only I said. Author. I said not that is a DAW. My subject is called what? A DAW. Design and analysis of algorithms. Design and analysis of algorithms. When I went to one class in the beginning, once I taught, I already might be said. I went to one beginning on my head of the department. I went there on a research guide only. I went to one college to teach DAW. Like that time, maybe our beginning days. When I went to that place, I wrote DAW heading. Already 4 faculties changed. Time is not enough. The moment I wrote DAW there, na, they said danger analysis of algorithm. They said they abbreviated themselves. And okay, later I'll tell that story. After that, what they said, after I explained, they said openly, which topic you want to tell me, I will explain the topic. Which topic you want, you tell me. Out of the 8 units, out of that time 8 units are there in BTech. Now it is 5 units. 5, na? 5. Now that time 8 units. I said, any one of the topic you tell me, I will explain with coding, I said. They said 8 queens problem. You know n queens problem? BTech CSC students, n queens problem. I explained with 3.5 hours. The same student who said beginning dangerous analysis of algorithm, he said at the end, what digestible analysis of algorithm, he said. See that how it changed that person? That means student is always very good. Presentation is important. Correct or not, students? Yes, that is important to the teacher. Correct? Yes. Read well. All the best. Don't miss the further class. Thank you, students. All the best. Yamuna, what ma Yamuna you said? Share your Django notes, sir. See ma that notes. I'll tell you tomorrow about that notes for you once. Yamuna, I will tell you ma tomorrow. I'll tell you once about that nodes. Okay. Tomorrow I will tell you, Yamuna. Right. Thank you. Students, time is over today, my dear students. It is almost 11 o'clock, 1 minute. Tomorrow class, I will take any doubts are there. I'll clarify tomorrow. Thank you.